Welcome to Park Dental Aligners. This video will guide you through the approval process to authorize manufacture of aligner kits for your patients. Once the treatment plan is completed, you'll receive an automated email from EasyRx asking for your approval for the treatment plan. This email will contain a link to view the entire treatment plan as an animation. With this animation, you can click through each aligner in the series and view the entire treatment plan. You'll also be given a link to authorize the treatment. Log into your EasyRx using your email and password. Once in, you'll see a star next to the notification tab. From here, you'll see the pending approval. Once again, you can review the animation as well as the smile pictures from your patient. You can also add any notes or comments or changes to the prescription here. Your approval of your patient's treatment plan is your consent to purchase the Park Dental Aligners kit. If you do not have payment information on file, a Park Dental customer representative will call to help set up your account and payment preferences. Once you approve the treatment plan, we will be notified and begin the manufacturing process for your patient's aligners. Thank you for choosing Park Dental Aligners.